How to rotate any text on Canva. What's up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to flip or rotate text in Canva. So the first thing you have to do is open up your web browser, or if you have Canva itself, you can open up the app and just head over to canva.com, hit enter. It will take you directly to Canva's official website. Now from here, just make sure that you are logged into your account. And all you need to do here is create a new design. So it could be your presentation, whiteboard, social media, or anything else. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up a new design here. Now on this page, you'll get a blank canvas. So in order to bring out a text, you can just go ahead and insert a text here. So in order to bring out a new text, you could click here and start typing. If not, you could just go ahead and type in T on your keyboard, which will bring out this pop-up where you are able to add your text. So I'm just going to quickly add a text here, and then let me just go ahead and increase its size. Once you have your text, so there are quite a few ways to rotate this. So first thing you can do is click on it, and right at the top on the right side of your screen, you'll find something called position. Click on this position tab and it will open up this arrange option. Now here you have an option to rotate it. You can adjust its pixel size as well as its height and width ratio. So click on this rotate option. So 0 degrees is flat out like this. So if I want it vertically, I'm just going to enter 90 degrees here and hit enter. Now the text has been flipped to 90 degrees. If I want it upside down, I'm going to go ahead and type in 180 degrees, and it's going to be upside down like this. So positive degrees moves clockwise and negative degrees move counterclockwise. So as you can see here, if I go ahead and type in 90 degrees here, it's going to be the subscribes S is going to be on the bottom. But if I want it on the top, I'm going to have to enter positive 90 here. So let me just go ahead and enter 90. Now, as you can see, the positive 90 is the S is on top. The other way you can flip the text is just go back, reset, click on the text. You'll find this little rotate icon here. You just click on it and rotate it however you want. As you can see, the positions degree is also going to change here. So let's just move it. The X and Y ratio of it is also moving. So that's how you basically flip or rotate text in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.